Right then guys, in this video what we're going to be looking at is this transform box down the bottom here, just so there's a little bit more clarity on it, and so that you fully understand how it works. So we were looking at putting banners in and things this week, so I'm just going to draw my shape. It doesn't have to be correct size, but I'm just going to fill it and just get rid of the lines around it. So this is going to be my banner. So basically what I can do is I want it to be my banner, and then I can use the handles to just put it in to where I like. But if you want to be a little bit more precise while we're doing it, is I'll just put it in the middle there. We can use the transform box in the bottom. So I've just drawn my shape. It's going to form the banner at the top there. So this site what I've created is like the last video. It's 1000 pixels wide, as you can see on the ruler there, and it's 1500 in height, as you can see on the ruler there. So if we look at this side, these two figures at the minute, this is the actual modifying the shape. So if I drag that out, you can see it's increasing the width, and as I drag it up, it's decreasing the height or increasing the height. So that shows you what's happening there. So we know that our page is 1000 pixels wide, so we will set this to 1000. So that is the exact dimensions from that corner of our page to that corner, and the height is whatever we desire it to be. So I'm just going to set it for 200 for this example. That one there is sort of user defined, that whatever looks best on your site. I think everyone was fine with that, changing the size of it and things, but it was the X and Y that people seem to have difficulty with. So this anchor point, this anchor dialogue down here, it basically it's a reference point on our shape for us to plot our coordinates of X and Y. So at the minute, because it's a rectangle, we can quite easily see the reference point. So that reference point relates to that one. That top one there relates to that point. That point there relates to that point, and so on, all the way around. So, and then you've got the middle one, which is the exact middle of the shape. So I'm just going to set that to that. So if we look at our page again, so we've got 0 up there, so our page spans from 0 all the way over to 1000 when we're not on a shape. So 0 to 1000. So, and it goes from 0 to 1500 down here. So on the X and Y, looking at that corner, if we wanted it in that top corner, so that corner of the shape to be in that corner there, it's going to be of the coordinates 0, 0. So this is the X bar, this is the Y bar, so we're going to set that to 0 and 0. So that moves that up there, which is exactly where it needs to be. Now, say we wanted a slightly smaller bar. Just do it in a different colour. Fill. So this time I'm just gonna have it at 10 pixels.